Musica troppo alta? No, no, siamo messi bene, sia con i microfoni sia con la musica. Vero, 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 vero? Speriamo. Forse la musica è un po' alta stavolta. E poi in teoria è sempre la stessa, però dipende. Sto parlando un po' a vanvera, per avere la... Chissà se la musica e il mio microfono... Boh, vabbè, speriamo. Allora... sembro in cantina. Ok, dovrebbe andare... Ah no, mo sta... qua? Meglio. Possiamo fare... così. Vai. Dovrebbe andare meglio. Oppure anche così... là. Dovrebbe essere appena più alto adesso. Speriamo. Ci vediamo un po' un tacchettino di musica. Vai. Allora. Dovrebbe andare bene. Top. Grazie. La settimana scorsa siamo riusciti ad installare Kubernetes sul serverino, però questa installazione ha diciamo una buona dose di problemi, principalmente che bisogna testare assolutamente tutto il disaster recovery e quello che vorrei cercare di fare oggi cercare di rendere l'accesso al cluster diciamo, un pelino più sicuro. L'idea oggi è di provare a connetterci tramite wireguard. E ho fatto un po' di ricerche e non ci ho capito un cazzo. Non ho veramente idea di come si possa fare. Allora, intanto wireguard sul server c'era già, funziona. È stato installato e reinstallato. Ho reinstallato il client, ho installato il client sulla mia macchina Linux e c'è comunque qualcosa che non va, in quanto in teoria dal telefono funzionava e c'ho il recording della live dove riuscivo a farlo funzionare. Mo non funziona più, nel senso dal telefono non mi va più il routing verso internet, ma dovrebbe, e sto provando ora, dovrebbe andare il routing verso la mia rete locale. Proviamo, Sì, il routing verso la rete locale funziona. 1.52. Ok. E invece verso internet ancora niente. Questo vuol dire che... Ah no, attenzione, il routing verso internet funziona. Risoluzione DNS. Ah beh, no, ma calma, funziona tutto. Perfetto. C'è l'hack che testimonia. Sì, è vero. Allora, no, da telefono ho appena ritestato e ci siamo, funziona. Questo vuol dire che wireguard sul server è configurato correttamente. Almeno. C'è una prima configurazione di wireguard sul server che è corretta. Adesso, piccolo disclaimer, giocando con la rete è molto probabile che mandi in vacca 3/4 dello streaming, in quanto anche solo tastiera e mouse per spostarli tra il computer sul quale lavoro e il computer che faccio lo streaming vanno via rete, e quindi è estremamente probabile che qualcosa andrà storto. Allora, qua sopra il mio PC locale c'è wireguard, sono public key, quindi si può fare. sicuramente oggi ci sarà un leak di chiavi, quindi poi stasera dovrò riciclare, anche se c'ho un... sì, sicuro, sicuro. Qui mi dice, wireguard è connesso. Andiamo su qua sotto, anche qua sotto, questi sono, eccolo qua, questo è il telefono, giusto? ES, e questo è Linux. Sono connessi. i3, sto usando i3 in questo momento. Mi ci trovo molto bene, ho iniziato a usarlo da 2 anni ormai e non ho mai avuto lo sbatti di provare qualcos'altro, sinceramente. Ok, questa macchina effettivamente è connessa. Quello che non riesco ancora a fare è riuscire a fare il ping attraverso il dentro la rete wireguard. Yo, hello. Effettivamente sta facendo lo streaming. Yeah, ok, poll Inita versus, vai, eccolo, buongiorno. No. Bon. Okay, so apparently I said this streaming in English, so bon, I mean, I did the setting, so I guess I continue in English. I have actually, I mean, I hope it's fine for you. No, come on. Okay, so just to recap, I'm trying to connect. I'm trying to restrict Kubernetes access only through wireguard. WireGuard on the server is installed. This is the server conf. I connected the phone. I connected, well, my local machine is connected too, and I mean, the phone the phone it works but flawlessly. This computer, well, technically it's connected, so you know, maybe. The problem is if I do route, the default is not through wireguard. So technically I am writing through wireguard. I tried with the... wait. So through wireguard I have the wireguard network. Can we have a stream in French? Bon, si tu veux, je peux te faire le stream en français, mais c'est pas une bonne idée. No, I'm not gonna stream in French. I mean... and yeah, I'm not gonna stream in French. So I cannot do anything in the 68.2 network. That's technically the internal WireGuard network, and I don't know why. I guess it's something, I don't know if it's something that's related to, well, for sure it's related to the configuration of my WireGuard network. It's just that I have no idea. Anyway, I don't really care. I mostly care, well, maybe I do. Yeah, I guess you can fuck off. I'm not gonna stream in French, guys, please. It's already hard. Okay, so never mind. One thing that we can try is to get, so the Kubernetes nodes, in theory, they are on the 1042 network. Yeah. maybe a describe. And, oh yes, so many things. Whoa. Okay, yeah, indeed, if you have just one node, there is a lot of shit going on in that node. What the fuck is going on? Okay. Interesting. So the internal IP is actually binded on the machine IP. I mean, obviously, it would be interesting to find ways to bind this not to the machine IP, but on the wireguard IP, so that that way, like the instead of being on 1/100. Why my chat now is in French? I mean, whatever. I would like this to be like 2 point something, so that it's only under the wireguard network. I guess that would solve all my problems. Besides that, I don't see my overlay network here. Yeah, and my biggest issue here is that I would like to have the 6443 port accessible only through the wireguard. Okay, so let's take a quick look. We have a bunch of conditions. That's okay. Internal IP. Okay, but I think we have to. I have to fix this internal IP thing. That would actually be maybe the best trick to start. Yeah, and then we have the events, and the events are trash. Okay. Yeah, let's go with that. So k3s, there will be a lot of Googling. Yeah, bind the IPA server on the wireguard network. Yeah, you're right. k3s. To specific IP. The problem is, how do we do that with k3s? There will be some flag somewhere. API vaffanculo. Advertise address. Yeah, okay. So I have a bunch of things. The problem is, how do I pass this shit? Please. No, it was during the install. Oh, fuck. So, yeah. Yeah. Do I need to reinstall? No, don't tell me this. Please. Please. k3s. Update. No. Change. Install flag. Agent configuration. This is not the agent. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Nope. Nope. Ah, good. So we have to reinstall. Bon, whatever. Server conf. Okay. So, well, this is the stuff. We need to rerun the install. Maybe. Apparently. I don't know. Well, it kind of makes sense if you think about it. Given that we're single node, so there isn't very much. Well, yeah, okay, well, one thing at a time. First, let's try to find the thing here, and then let's try to find if there is any config file. I mean, I already, yeah, let's take it there. Like there is a rancher thing here with the k3s and the node thing. In the node, there is only the password. I'm not gonna use that. And in the k3s, this is the manifest of Kubernetes. And this is not the install. So with the install, we will have like maybe cube. Yeah, I'm looking for some rancher thing somewhere. I don't know. I don't even know actually what's the, wait, k3s server. Yeah, so there should be like k3s. Hello, yeah, stuff like that. This thing, wait, this thing should have some confs. I don't know. We'll see later. So yeah, I think that no, this is the agent. I don't want the agent, I want the server. Yeah, data store, tokens, keep config admin, okay. Node name, we don't really care. Node label and taint, no. Busy stuff. So IP address to advertise for the node. Yeah, maybe that thing if it's in the wireguard network, maybe. External IP address to advertise. Oh no, here we go. Listener, bind address. Here we go. So we need to bind not on 000, but on 192, well, on the subnet of wireguard. That's the trick. So, moving this there. We go on dev. This thing was configured through Ansible. Oh shit. Yeah. Ooh. Wait. We have the server env. We are running .k3s site. And then, shit, I don't recall. I did this. No, it should be somewhere in inventories. We have servers. No, we have group vars. Cluster all. Here you go. Master IP. Yep, I think it's just this thing. So this thing was actually pointing to the IP address of the machine. That's the IP address that I'm using for Ansible. Now, if I put the wireguard server IP, for example, and maybe in the server I want the HTTPS listen part bind address. I want the bind address equal 1, maybe. Okay, down here I'm looking at pod IP, service IP, okay, that's fine. I mean, it's an overlay network on the 42, so that's okay. Okay. Now, let's check. Yeah, you're not seeing me checking stuff. Well, I mean, I can do this. So, to do that, I was using the Ansible k3s, this thing, usage. Nice. It's not telling us shit. Yay. Yeah. Good. So we need to search. Oh. Well, I mean, yeah, we can even go through this. It should not be that terrible. Right? Right? We are looking for a var called extra servers args. That's not here. Very nice. So what the fuck are you doing? Yeah, here we go. Okay. Dash server. Okay. So this is running with the master IP, and we fixed the master IP. So that should do something. I would like to see, maybe it's using it in templates. Oh yes, here we go, exec start. Yeah, so this is going to pass, no, okay. So yeah, this is going to pass it as, when we run it through systemd. Meaning, this is not the right way of writing that. Yeah, now you're seeing half the thing. We want it to be like, where is it? Come on. Client option, where the fuck is it? Bind address. Okay, so, okay, so we changed the master IP, and we're passing the bind address. Let's go and install. Oh no, wait, stop there. Oh fuck, this will take ages. Yeah, I think I need to like this thing of importing playbooks doesn't work. I mean, I really just need to run this. So oh, so let's create another servers env, call it k3s env YAML, otherwise this will take ages every time. And then we do sp of run servers on run k3s sh k3s, and this is running k3s hello k3s. Okay, so now we can run k3s and YAML. Okay. Good, good. So now we run just the Kubernetes playbook. I mean, this thing, it will be already long enough. Okay, well, it would take some time, I guess. And yeah, I mean, if anybody has question, you can ask. And meantime, we're waiting. So I hope, I mean, I think that doing this, I totally do not trust my current wireguard conf. So the result I expect is that I would kind of fail to access the cluster. That would be good to me. I mean, the thing I care the most is that the cluster is not accessible through the standard LAN. And after, we find ways to reach it. Hopefully. I am gonna cut these tests at, I don't know, like 7:30 or so an hour, not more. And then whatever, we leave it accessible, I don't care, and I want to move on working on tooling, because I want to, there's a lot of stuff we have to yeah, in theory, but I don't know, theory, I don't really trust this thing to work. Mostly, well, I guess it's because I have really no idea what's going on. I mean, I have headaches every time I have to touch network stuff on real machines. I've done this on, maybe I've done it this too much on clouds, where the network works on completely different ways and standard, and I completely lose touch on doing real stuff. So yeah, I mean, it's one of the reasons why I'm doing this thing every Saturday, so that I try to keep it real and not forget / learn how to do those things without a cloud. I mean, that's stuck. No. So yeah, the server now, it's complaining at best. Oh wait, technically this is an update procedure. And okay, it's actually interesting to see what's going on and what's going to happen. In the meantime, I mean, this thing is running, so yeah, you're seeing half of the screen. Doesn't matter. Maybe I can show you half of this. Yeah. So you're seeing half of the, yeah, here we go. This is the uptime stuff. This is the HTOP on the server, and yeah, the load average is pretty high. Yeah, no, okay. Nice idea, but it just doesn't work better. Ah, come on. So there was a place here about updates somewhere. Upgrades. Okay. Okay, well, blah blah blah. Okay, Kilo first. To allow high availability during upgrades, k3s containers continue running with k3s services stopped. Nice. Yeah. To stop all the containers and reset the container D state, run the kilo. Cleans everything. Cluster data will not be deleted. Good to know. Okay, that's an option. Now, you can upgrade using the installation script. So in theory, I should be able to upgrade. Yeah, okay. I've just interrupted it. I'm adding more verbosity. Fuck off. Yeah. I mean, it was stuck. So now it's rerunning and we can read shit together on the internet. So yes. How was your stream? We read a lot of internet stuff. That were not memes yet. If it doesn't work, we'd start doing meme review like PewDiePie. I don't know. Yeah, okay. So this thing is saying you rerun the install and everything should be fine. Maybe you can, I don't know. Okay, so now it's where it was stuck. I think I put too much verbosity. What the fuck is going on? Sorry. Fuck this. It's moving. Yeah, and now it works. It was stuck. Told you. Yeah, okay, this is CRD that will do the upgrades. Totally don't want that. Okay, very well. It's running. Good. So we're fine. And on the other hand, I was expecting that. So if I'm in the if I'm connected through wireguard, I was expecting to be able to, for example, ping the server. Like, so if I do ping, this is the server IP. There's nothing. So that's not so nice. And you see, complete packet loss. So maybe let's try to Google that and try to fix that. I mean, I want to be able to ping my server, even if it's an extra step or whatever it is. Perfect. Can I ping server? I'm sure that there is some IP tables shenanigans around. On server side, okay. Okay, well, we go back to this. Yep, the installation is done. Now, I do not use NF table. Mostly because, I don't know. I should actually. You're not wrong. Yeah, you're not wrong. We'll see. One thing at a time. The real issue with NF tables is that there is very, very little examples on things. So for me, it adds another level of complexity in the sense that mostly the examples that you find are for EP tables. And so you have to understand what's going on. And that's a first huge issue. And then you have to translate that to NF tables. Okay, anyway, we run at the thing. let's just restart the service, because why not? That can take some time. And now, now, good. So, I mean, let's just blindly check. Okay, good. So, I need to change my kube config, because my kube config is pointing to 192.168.100, and it has to go to 2.1. And we are back. That was a magic screen. I love that screen. So I just edit my computer kube config to point to the server on the good place. This was not a good idea. Let's go with the get nodes. Now let's see if we can connect to the thing. I don't think so. Yep. Okay. Well, it doesn't work. We will wait. You never know. Obviously it's not working. So. What can we do? Well, first we can do. Yeah, you're not so wrong. Try to telnet. Wait, I wanted to check first if. Yes, exactly. System deconfig, good idea. Wait, let me recheck this thing. Sorry, I cannot show you this because there is the cert. So yeah, yeah, okay. Roof stream. So in the k3s file, this is okay, and it was changed. The systemd file, where the fuck it's going to be? Boo. I don't even pretend to know. Systemd dir. Oh, come on. Tell me what is the dir? HCD etc systemd system k3s.service. It's actually binding on the port that we told him. Okay, this is empty, and then there is a k3s node. Yes, nice. I just showed the token. Very good. Fuck. Okay. Unable to connect. Okay, so this thing is running on the right thing. Now there was like let's see if you are listening. Okay, good. So it's actually listening on the right IP. Big win. Wait. Let me check this again. Sorry, secrets here, because yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that I would need some kind of network fix. Yes. Yes. Even though, look at this. If I try to ping, so this is the server, and on the server, of course, I can ping myself. Thank you. If I try to ping, you see, this is this machine. This is my Linux machine, and I can ping it. That doesn't sound good to me. Because like this is the phone that now it's disconnected, same issue. So yeah, there is something wrong here for sure. So I'm restarting WireGuard. Now if I would G here, okay. And I've changed the allowed IPs on the peer to be a little more. Okay, so yeah, okay, this is the overlay network. Perfect, okay, seems fine. We restart. Wait, let me restart from here. So quick. No. What about VG0? Huh. Five to survive, but I guess this is the server. Fuck. Okay, let's remove this. VG quick at G0 disable. Vaffanculo. Disable. Okay, so remove the thing. Do we have also a remove or something? Start, restart, kill, reset, no, enable, disable. Yeah, I did the disable. I want to remove. I can't. Of course. Baba. Okay. So there was VG. Ah. Hello. No. Oh, no. VG. Wait, I'm looking. VG client. Come on. No. Come on. Oh God. Fuck this. Okay. Yeah, this thing is still up and running. So whatever I've done, I haven't touched this. Okay, VG quick up, VG0 client. Nice. And so in theory, this, yeah, let's not ping from root. You try Vagrant. Vagrant is fun sometimes. Still doesn't work anyway. I've used it. I mean, do you really need Vagrant? Maybe you just can, I don't know. Yeah, sometimes Vagrant is fun if you have to manage VMs. Another way is to run Packer, build your VM, and then just manage your VM manually. Okay, so I think that the issue is totally here in this fact that we cannot ping the server. And yeah, and that's weird. So okay, I need routes, even though I should have, I do have routes here. Yes, I'm routing this thing. So that doesn't make sense. Like, this is the right route. I do have the thing here, so that's correct. Maybe we want the forwarding. Even though I don't think we need, yeah, exactly. Doesn't. Yeah. I don't know. And this thing should actually being able to ping 2.1. Hello. No, 2.3. So no, that's the thing that really annoys me. Like, I cannot ping anyone from anywhere. And yes, if I do, I am connected, you see. The endpoint is fine, I guess. I mean, it's using my machine, so that's okay. At this point, I don't know. I mean, anyway, this is okay. Like, this is the entire 24, so it should be fine. It's just that there is nothing passing through this thing. And if I do it here, so this is the client is connected to the server, it's passing through internet, that's okay. And okay, there is a little discrepancy in the allowed IPs, but I don't think that's vital, mostly because I'm trying to connect to 2.1 and 2.3. So this subnet, you see, the sent here, it's just fuck. I really don't know. I really don't know. So yeah, I guess it's time for some Googling. Blah, blah, blah. What the fuck is this? Okay. we have the IP forward on both machines, even though on the client we don't need it. And okay, so the IP table stuff, yeah, but you have to pay tile scale to do that. So I mean, everybody's good doing that. Okay, I can try. What can I try at this point? Ah, wait. I should check. Huh. Yeah. Now with my AP tables on the server, I have. Okay. Well, that's. Fuck. There are all the Kubernetes rules. Yeah, that are a lot. A lot. So maybe I can try to rerun my rules manually. I don't know, because again, it works from the phone. So I don't think that's that. Let's see. Okay. Ah, that's a nice idea. Changing IP, QR code. Nope. I was checking some documentation, but no, I don't find anything really interesting. Let's try to just troubleshoot. WireGuard cannot ping server. Okay. Let's see. I'm just Googling, so I mean, there isn't much fun in looking at me Googling stuff. Change the server. Okay, so let's try. You can ping because you need a NAT between your WireGuard network and the machine network. On the server. Or on my client too? You think? Oh. No, I have it on the server. I'm pretty much sure. And wait, let me grab a file and I'll show you. Oof. One sec, I'm just copying the WireGuard config. Fuck. Okay. So here you go. So this is my WireGuard config. I've just removed the private key of the server. So every time I do an up, I'm actually adding the IP forward and the IP tables that does the NAT. So this should be enough. Now we can rerun this thing. I mean, should not matter. Fuck you. Okay. And now still can ping. So either this is not the right thing, but I mean, I'm just doing a NAT on N01. That's the LAN. So I think that the NAT is there. I don't understand. Really don't understand. So wait, is this the right way of writing this? Maybe this is not the right way of writing this. Let's see. So, well, in theory, this should be VG0, accept. So, and then I have somebody saying also add this sudo IP tables e forward between VG0 no, this is just the same stuff with and without -i. Okay, I don't think, I mean, IP tables, not post routing, N01, masquerade. Yeah. Oh, J accept. It's exactly the same stuff. Oh no, input output. Haha. Okay. Hey, nope. No. Doesn't work. Okay, let's flip the thing. Can I disable IP tables? I mean, I should drop all the things. Oh, no. Yeah, okay. I feel very much lost. Client from server. And a lot of people are having this issue actually. That's very interesting. Can I TCP dump? Yeah, would I? Okay, let's try here. No, I totally don't have it. Okay, wait. TCP dump. Totally need a tutorial. So let's dump on the server during the ping from the client. Maybe. Yeah, no, okay. All the thing? Okay, let's dump on the server. we need to install first. This is very slow. You know what? Let's just stop. I really. Fuck. Let's just stop Kubernetes. It's eating. It's completely eating my machine. Look at this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we stopped Kubernetes. I mean, we're just trying to ping servers. So, oh, some updates are necessary here. It's going a little better. Yes. Yes. Okay. So, TCP, I need to be higher, TCP dump. Do I need to say what's the interface? Yes, I guess. Right. Interface. VG0. Okay. And now ping. No, next. It's stuck. You think so? Oh, shit. Whoa. Yeah, that's sad. Strange, though. Come on. Please. Please. Okay. Ping 2.1. Nothing is going out. Yeah, I totally trust that. I mean, 10 September 2019, it's sold. I think it's the version that's bundled in TCP dump, though. I don't know. Yeah, okay. There's just nothing going out. If I am inside the server, yeah, now with TCP dump, I guess that takes a lot of time. Okay, and I try to ping my client. Okay, so we're seeing the packets going out, and it's just that my machine is not receiving them. I mean, that's okay. Like, and they're going down through the right IPs and everything. So the routing, it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're right. So IP tables, wireguard, not. Okay, so I'm reading that the syntax is IP tables, -t nat, post routing, there is a one, and then I have -s source address. Okay, 10. No, it's not 10. 192.168.2.0.24. So this is the wireguard network. It's going out on N01, and it's masquerade. Can't ping. Nope, not enough. Ah no, wait. Calm down. This shit. All outgoing packets are translated via VPN. No, but this is not something I need to do on the server. Yeah, no, I need to do it on the server. I need to... Don't understand. Yeah. No. The output is going to be sent. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is going out. Then we have to tell accept the things going in. EP tables, input 1, VG 0. Okay, and then the forwarding. Forward 1. Yeah, well, let's forward everything. Minus VG0, accept, space, and then one, and this is VG0. Okay. Then I need to open the UDP port on blah blah blah. I mean, at this point, let's just follow whatever they're doing. Input 1, NO1, UDP, deport. What's the port I'm using? I am using 51. Yeah, you're right. You never know. So let's just put it. Okay. Server can ping. Client can ping. So oh yeah, I mean, so if this is the server, I cannot ping my client. You see, I'm on the server, can ping the client, and of course I can ping it on its own, the real IP. I'm still connected. So in the clients, a lot of people are just using the allow all. Let's go doing that. Fuck you. So I am allowing 0, 0, 0, 0. Wait. Let's check the client config file because am I doing it right? Interface address. This is the server. Yes. Firewall. We can recheck this totally. Verification. Conclusion. Yeah, I don't understand why, for fuck's sake, why people just tell how to configure your fucking client. I want to know how do you configure, not server. I need the client configuration, not the server configuration. Fuck. I'm wondering if I flipped the IPs. I don't think so though. Totally don't think so. Yeah. Yes. Give me one sec. Sorry. Let's put this back. So I've just put an allow all. So now we can do. No, so job. Then I've used this VG client thing that I can just go IP-link something like that. Yeah, even the fucking thing on their website is just fucking trash. Yeah, no, I need to reboot that thing. And now I don't think I even have a fucking service running at this point. It's just fucking trash. Okay, wireguard client. Okay, VG quick up VG 0. Okay, so wireguard V0 client to etc wireguard VG0.conf. Okay, now VG quick. Wait. Up VG0. Now it's going to tell already exist. Okay. So. Okay, and up. Good. We have everything allowed. The endpoint is fine. So you have to do it. And it works. Now, the real problem now is, what the fuck was the fix? So, I mean, that's good. I think, well, my current allowed IPs, I don't like that. But, well, so the thing that, okay, well, let me remove the allowed IPs. So instead of 00000, I want to have 192.168.2.0.24. Should be the same. La. And Fuji quick down. Fuji 0 down. Okay. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's re-up it. Ping. So oh, come on, fish is fine, man. It's fine. But yeah, I mean, I should use something like running tmux or something like that instead of, yeah, who cares? No, the real problem now, well, the thing is that I need, so maybe the issue was that I was using some weird ways, because now the allowed IPs are just on the 2.0 subnet. And yeah, maybe it was that I was not upping and downing. Yes, the server can ping. Okay, so I need to check if the problem was on the IP table stuff that I've added here. So I'm rebooting the server. And when it's going to be back up, oh, I think I can even I should have it here. Let's see if I can bring the terminal from Milo. Remote console, HTML. There we go. Ah. Okay. That's too big. Too much. Increase the size, maybe? Preferences. No. I don't know if you can read, but it's saying watchdog did not stop. Yeah, UID is blinking. I know that. Power is still on. We need to wait. Oh. Sad. Sometimes if you reopen it, it works. Yeah, no, it's still stuck in there. Here we go. No, you just had to wait. So actually, it's 9:30. Oh yeah, 7:30. So I was saying I would take maximum an hour, and it worked so far. Let's see if we survive the reboot. I am very happy with this. Very, very happy with this. Let's see. Oh, I see there is a lot of background noise. Wait. I'm thinking printers. Well. I mean, what's the focus on? Come on. It's too dark now. There we go. Better. Yes. You can actually install it on printers, so... I don't know. I see some very low noise on my microphone line. It really annoys me. The BIOS has corrupted other PMU resources. Okay, now it's up. But you don't have any strange feedback, right? I guess. Oh yeah, there was a feedback. I don't know, whatever. So we're back. First test. Let's see if this is my client. Well, let's not do this from root. Oh yes. And the connection went back up. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, that's good. So first thing first, let's get the nodes. Plop. Connection refused. Connection refused is better than no error message. I think I just need to open the ports because well, let's check. Then let's try to kill it. Yeah, that's better. So if I take down my VPN, I do have noise. Okay, wait, let's fix that. It should be a little better now, right? I've lost some volume, I think. Here. And now it's better. Okay, now should be a little better than before. With no noise. Please. Well, whatever. I hope. I mean, hopefully. Maybe I can even take it up here. Yeah. Okay, if I take it up there, maybe then I can lower it here. like this. Now it should be almost like before. Oh no, that's totally too low. Totally too low. I'm seeing it there. That's totally too low. And I can maybe get it a little closer like that. Nice. Hopefully. Okay, so if we disable the VPN, the kubectl is idle, meaning it can't resolve it. If we have the VPN, kubectl should give us an error. No, it works. Okay. That's good. It's interesting that this node has 6 days, even though I just rebooted. Yeah, okay. I have some stuff dying. Very nice. What? How can this be up from 6 days if I've just rebooted? That doesn't really make sense. If I kill it, no answers. Yeah, okay. So if you restart the node, for Kubernetes, that's, I mean, okay, but it works. Done. And in theory, besides the configuration on my machine, everything is also on Ansible, hopefully. So dev vs Ansible. We can just commit this. K3s bind to wireguard. Okay, good enough. Yeah, the problem is that the wireguard config on this machine, it's not it's not on Ansible. And yeah, so that's perfect for here. We need to add client wireguard conf. The problem with handling the wireguard conf is that I really need to find a way to handle secrets first, because I don't really, the way I have it, I'm doing it right now, it's horrible. So it's just I have to copy the file manually, so it's useless, mostly useless. The Google stuff is it's a reverse DNS, and oh fuck, I have task folder. Wait, so it's this thing. I have I don't really care. I mean, I have the .dev on Google Domains, and so with the they have an API, so I can just push my IP address. So why why using any other service? This just works. And at some point, I want to have it. So at some point, I will need to fix my local network to allow. I guess I need a VLAN to allow some stuff from the internet to the server, or maybe even a Bastion host or something like that. So right now, that's not great. Like I'm allowing wireguard through that, and I'm using that DNS to connect through wireguard from my phone from around. Okay, so well, the main thing for today was actually the VPN stuff, and we did it. So yeah, let's just. I'm doing something horrible. I know. Let's just edit quickly. Yeah, today was even called Yodels. Huh. Okay. Through wireguard. And that's done. Now, I think it makes sense to work a little on the utils things for Kubernetes. In theory, on my .files, I used to have in my work branch. No, that's only AWS. Okay, so there is almost nothing in here. Okay, so well, to connect to Kubernetes, you really need to want to use kubectl. And yeah, I think that the easiest way to have kubectl is just to, download it and install it. They have this very nice thing where you just download the thing. They also provide you the checksum, so that should be fine. Yeah, and then I move it somewhere. I don't think so. I used kubectl a lot in the past. kubectl is to switch. Oh, they rewritten it in Go. Nice. It's to switch environments, but right now I don't need it. I just have one environment. So this is handy to connect to different servers. Yeah, exactly. With one cluster, it's useless. Kubens, though, it's nice because Kubens is to switch namespaces. So maybe it makes sense to have it too. I guess they come together. I don't remember. So yeah, I'm carrying my glasses. Can't see shit. La. Okay. Oh my god, there are kubectl plugins, but that's just solved everything. Oh yes. So yes, I do have ingresses. I have traffic as default. That would be fun to test. And there is there is a binary that runs load balancer for services on k3s, and that's also very cool to have load balancers. And for PVs, I need to find what's the best way to attach myself to my ZFS cluster, because I have a ZFS cluster on this server. And depending on how that's going to go, I will decide if I want to run Samba on Kubernetes or keep it outside, because on that server right now, it's running Samba. And it's working very well. Like that Samba share, it's accessible everywhere in my LAN, and I have my backups there, etc. So we're going to install kubectl and crew, and we are doing it with our friend Ansible. Dev Ansible. Okay. Roles. I will need k3s role, maybe k3s utils row. Yeah, k3s utils row. New k3s utils. Maybe I should just copy. Yeah, well, whatever. -p utils update OpenSSL. Yeah, that's actually. Oh, you know what? I do not have any update process working on my Ansible stuff, and this is annoying. So yeah, that's something I have to get deep into. Then I want to cp fonts. No, let's cp, for example, fish tasks starship. Yes. In let's say k3s usual tasks main YAML. Tasks main YAML. Yeah, and install. k3s, no, kubectl, crew, and some plugins. Okay, now let's do some magic. Oh, starship. Kubectl. No, k3s use. Let's go with k3s utils. Boom. Nice. Oh, that's just single files. Come non detto. kubectl tmp installer. Oh no, fuck me. No way. So this is just kubectl, and I guess this is going to be just kubectl, and then we will go with crew, and then we will go with plugins. kubectl URL. We install. We don't have a verbose. We totally do not install like that. Where it is? Where it is? Here. How do you want it to install? Just copy the shit. Yes, we copy the shit. So we don't need this. Yes, okay, I'm okay with that. We need to copy. I'm pretty sure that the ft package is way in the past. There isn't even an ft package. So yeah, I mean, yeah, they're providing the things. Yeah, okay, why not? Oh. Wait, so let's keep it like this. We move the k3s utils tasks main to k3s utils tasks. This will be crew. We copy some Spotify, for example. Tasks main in k3s utils tasks kubectl, and we will need the vars. I don't want the slash. I never know if I screwed up for sure. No, I did right. Yeah, I don't think you have a k3s client. Oh, you do. Yeah, but that's on the server. But I haven't installed k3s on the client. I have k3s on the server. So I think it's okay. And honestly, I think it's okay even to have a mismatch between kubectl and your actual server, because it's sitting on. I mean, actually, the last few years at work, everybody was running a different version of kubectl because a lot of people were installing it through brew or shit like that. Totally not controlling what the fuck was going on with the servers and the actual clusters, and I never had real issues. So I don't think it's worth it to install k3s on my machine. I mean, technically I can run another node on my machine. That can be interesting, but next time. And then you have to bind. No, let's just install. Let's go clean. Let's say. So kubectl. We do. Please. Oh yes. Spotify. URL. Fuck. Apt key. Why there are two keys? Oh no, that's the destination. Okay. La path. We add the repo. I smell Ubuntu shit. Kubernetes Xenial main. B, no, this is deb. And I want some quotes. Yeah, okay. Install kubectl client. Without the client. Kubectl. Okay, install recommend no, become perfect. That should be fine. Right? Should be fine. Shall autocomplete? We will deal with that later. Now, we check the task for crew. Where are you? Crew? Where are you? Visit the docs. Do you have a quick install shit? No. Okay, quick start. Install. Yeah. Fish. Make sure Git is installed. I'm good with that. Run this command in your terminal to download and install crew. What the actual fuck? Come on. What the fuck? To download a fucking binary? Look at this. This is how they're telling you to install your shit. I mean to install the plugins. No? We don't like plugins? I like plugins. There are a bunch of, like, a lot of plugins. Like, there isn't even a Datadog plugin. So why not? I mean, you install it once and run SSH in a pod. Yeah, I mean, looking at how they're telling you to install. Well, yeah, this is installing a binary, and then you untar it, and then you run it. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think this is really worth it. Well, oh, they're written in Bash? Wait, they're saying they've written it in Go. News, are written in Go. So yeah, the thing is, I guess they have both the Go binary and the Bash. So if we want the Bash, oh, this is really just about completions? No, I don't know. Let's see, Cubans. That's a lot of Go. And then Cubans here. Oh, that's Bash. Well, actually, yeah. I think we can just copy paste this thing. Okay. I guess I'm going to download this file. Am I? So this is not crew. Move task. Crew to tasks. I guess this way they can. I don't know why. I don't know. Cubans. Tasks. Cubans. We go star s Spotify kubectl. We have kubectl Cubans. La. Create temporary installer. Perfect. We install the shit. Perfect. Now to actually install it, we copy. From SRE, this mode is totally not A+6. This is okay. You want a space here, and the dest. So, well, yeah, I guess this is pretty simple, but where do I want my Cubans thing? MEAJ plus O. I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe it was your cat. Who knows? Or maybe it's some Vim magic. Okay, I'm trying that. Shift MIJ. No, I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. What happened? Yeah, Vim magic. Shift O. Shift O. Really? Oh, but that's amazing. To add the new line up. Oh, that's beautiful. Path. Okay. Quotes. Let's call it Cuban's destination path, maybe. Yeah, okay. Delete temporary finds. Okay. Now I have to define this Cuban's dest path. What happened? We managed to configure the access to the cluster through wireguard only, to wireguard only. And now we are configuring my client to have all the Kubernetes stuff. So I want to have, well, you need kubectl, you need Cubans, and I guess that's it. I don't know. Then we'll see. Okay. No, now vars. Oh shit. Oh, really? No. Okay, we need to copy the vars from. Oh, you trashed Windows? I mean, Windows is fine. Installed Vagrant and Linux and everything is working. Okay, so you're running Linux. I mean, I've used Vagrant in the past. We were using Vagrant to distribute a virtual machine to developers. And so to run, you had a testing environment in a virtual machine. And I don't know why you would like it makes sense if somebody is distributing things to you, / you're distributing your virtual machine to somebody else. But otherwise, or you have multiple virtual machines that you need to work with. Otherwise, I really don't see why using Vagrant. Build your machine with Packer and Ansible so that you have something that you can reproduce, and then you're okay. Otherwise, you just build it once and you snapshot or you save it your disk file or whatever, and then you just reuse it. I don't really think. I don't see what Vagrant can actually give you. For your info, this streaming is from Windows. The thing you're seeing is just a VNC from my Windows machine to Linux. So I'm actually typing on Linux, but then the actual streaming is happening from Windows. Life, it's complicated. So, we need to copy vars. We need to copy vars from, oh, let's go Elixir. There are no vars in Elixir. Spotify, vars. No vars there either. Fuck. Fish had vars. I don't want to rewrite stuff. Vars. Main. Oh, yes. There we go. Yeah, I thought I needed it here. We're sensible. No, it's fine like that. And then we cut on roles. k3s utils. Tasks. kubectl. We have no vars. Good. And cubans, we had a bunch of vars. So vim vars main. We want, what do we want? We want cubans. So okay, we want star s cubans g. Okay, cubans URL. We go on the commit here. We want the single file and the row. There we go. Okay, then we need the SHA. No, that's kubectl. I don't want kubectl. I want cubans. Row. Go to, what the fuck? Permalink. No, this is not the fucking permalink. Oh, this is the permalink. Okay, row. Okay. Okay. So we get SHA cubans. Oh, I have a flaming chat. That's nice. Let's see. Ta ta ta. I mean, yeah, exactly. Like, personally, I do not like to install too much stuff on my machine, in the sense, so I don't really like to install on my hair, languages or compilers and stuff, besides things I really know I will use all the time, and where I do not need to have to run multiple versions. If I have to develop with something, so for example my Elixir environment, that's everything on containers. So of course I started installing it on my machine, and then as soon as I was sure enough to keep it, I just wipe everything and installed everything on containers. And I think it makes everything slightly more complex in the sense that running, you have to run everything through containers all the time. You can create bindings, for example. So for, I don't know, for so for example, for PHP, that I'm sure you need it. Well, no, actually, in your case that you're running a web stack, a container is actually very, very fine solution, because in one container you can run MySQL, not the best thing, but even if, or with Docker Compose, you run one container with MySQL, one container with Nginx or Apache with PHP, and then you just need to mount a folder with your files. And on your machine, you just have your files. So you don't need anything else. Everything else runs on container, and then you connect to that. Because, I mean, you don't need to compile or do anything. You just need to copy or have your container reading your files. So maybe that would be the best solution. And I think it's way better than a virtual machine, because with a virtual machine, you need to, again, do folder sharing. And you just have an incredible overhead on keeping all your virtual machine updated and everything. So for nothing, for running 3 services, that's it. So yeah, containers are nice. So I have the Kubens thing. We need to run, we need to write the roles. Where am I? No, the tasks main. And I should pretend to remember. I have rights, or I am right. I do have both, actually. But yeah, I think virtual machines, personally, I find them a little easier to understand, in the sense that, you know, that you have a full computer there, and but yeah, there is a lot of overhead. So you're proposing to do a streaming about running Docker with Apache and all these things. I technically did it. I did it for Elixir. But yeah, we can take half an hour and do it. Maybe it's like 40 minutes, and doing it for a lamp, something like that. Yeah, have fun. Thanks for coming. I do want to go too, so let's try to make this quick. Where do I have, so fish main tasks main. Okay, it was simple like that. Include tasks. kubectl YAML and Kubens. Kubens. I am missing for sure one thing. That's the, oh no, that's installed. Okay. In Kubens there was another var, the Kubens dest path. Vars. G. La. Q. No. This. era Java. So where should I install my Cuban stuff? Given that kubectl, kubectl is going to be installed on the main. Well, yeah, let's go on. I think USR local should be fine. USR local bin. Yeah. Did I become? Yes, A+6. Okay. Now. Yeah, I am. I think there are like 4 seconds, something like this. Yeah, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yeah. Now Vim run desktop. Fuck no. Come on. Vim desktop env workstations role k3s utils tags k3s dev. Why I have no history? Bah. Tags k3s. Let's go. It was tags or include tags? Who knows? No, that was good. Nice. Okay. So this is running. I don't think there will be much. We remove kubeset x, Cubans. Okay. And I need. Oh no, I do have the cube. Perfect. Ah! Oh no! The repository is not signed. Interesting. I just installed the key. What the fuck is your programs? Oh, stupid. Okay. Stupid mistake. I just copy paste from the stupid Google website. kubectl. This is not. You need to fuck off with this. And let's go again. Okay. So I was thinking about what else do we need, but I already have the bash completion. It's just like, for example, cube describe config maps. So that's fine. Well, I don't really need. Oh, maybe there is some completion for Cubans. Let's see. I don't think well, I don't know actually. Cubans, plugins, manual, download the script, save them, done. Install the completion scripts. Okay, so there is some completion scripts. That we will need to install. Che palle. Cubans.fish. Okay, so we're missing the completion. Yeah, I have to install that. Even though I think okay. One problem at a time. First. Okay, kubectl works. kgpo all them spaces. Yes. Okay. And it works. Let's see why the metric server. Oh no, Cubans. What? What's the problem? Download installer. Install Cubans. What? Oh, I forgot to specify the name file. That's not smart. Yeah. So roles, utils, tasks, Cubans. Desta slash Cubans. Right? Ansible copy. At this point I'm just rechecking the thing, but copy. Source, yeah. I need to specify it, I guess, like that. Okay, so we wait now. The fish completion, I think I will, no, I don't want it here. So we run it like that, and then for fish, we go cd config fish completions. Yeah, and we just create a file there. And even better, just download this here. Ta-da! Done. Ooh. Okay. And we just not yadm. Why I'm using fish? It's pretty simple. For the search, because it's incredibly good, and it's built in, so you don't need things like FZF and things like that. It's just incredibly better. And for the way you can create completions actually. So for example, if I want to type, yeah, but it's built in here. And for example, Kubernetes get pods, okay? This is not an alias. When I complete this, it in my history I have the full thing, and this is way nicer because you can type it fast, but then you have the full history, and so it's very handy. Okay. Nice. Ooh. Oh, somebody. Somebody's dumb as fuck. I downloaded the wrong file. Yeah. You need this. Okay. So. No, Cubans. This completion is really not completing. But for example, if you see the kubectl completion, no, sorry, not the completion. I have, I guess it was in functions. No, conf maybe, I don't know. Come on. Yeah, abbreviation. This thing. So, well, some of them are, I just dump all this abbreviation. And I mean, this is just so handy because you just you have the full thing in history, and I find it so handy. And then the search. So for example, you can have partial search just with the arrows. You can have search with completion. So yeah, I think it's that's nice. You don't need to use that actually. Oh, come on. Cubans fish 1. Cubans fish. Okay. Now let's see if I can manage. Diff. Okay, that's okay. Okay. Commit. Push. Okay. I mean, if you use FZF and you're happy with that, fine with that. It's nice to have fish. It also looks nice. It's okay. There are a lot of plugins for ZSH, and that's very nice too. But yeah. And also there is this nice trick that not using bash kind of forced me when I have to write script to write them either very well or I need to make sure the version of bash I'm using, otherwise everything will explode, and that's fun sometimes. I don't know. I really don't see this Cuban's completion, but what is supposed to complete? Okay, let's try to reopen a shell maybe. Oh! Again? What is fish completions? Oh, come on. Yeah, fish is not POSIX compatible, but I don't give a fuck. I mean, it's a shell. If I have to run a script, I run it with normally through bash. So it's fine. And we go push parse. Yeah, nice. Cube system. Okay, well, it's a little slow. Oh, but it works. Okay. What problems do you have, Matrix server? Fucking Matrix server. Status running. Crash back off. Error. Okay, why you have errors? Node is not ready? Ooh. Okay, I guess we fucked up some network stuff. Nice. So, okay, those are the logs of Matrix server. Matrix server, it's trying to access, this is the node IP from the overlay network. And it gets a very nice connection refused. Not nice. So we need to check what's going on. In the overlay network. Yeah, totally connection refused. I think there is some wrong IP tables rules somewhere. The IP address is 1043.01, and this is the node IP address. All white. Whoa, what the fuck? Why the internal IP is still that one? So, yeah, I have all the events, and I don't know why there are all the events in the describe. Yeah, fuck this. So, okay, my internal IP is 1100. So this is the LAN IP address of the machine. I don't really want that, but whatever. And yeah, the pod CIDR is 42, where the nodes in theory is 43. I know that from the documentation. The default is 43. Okay, those are just any old events. We don't give a fuck. Well, the fact is that the new conf it's actually installed. I mean, it's just k3s that run everything. Yeah. Well. And this is even scarier. The local path provisioner. Yeah, you see same error. 104301 connection refused. So yeah, I don't know. There is something wrong there. Honestly, I really think this is just some easy thing to fix in the very good question. But again, this is k3s. This is just the default install, and it was working before before we changed the network access through wireguard. So I truly believe that the problem is just that now that we are exposing through that, that's not how he likes it. Yeah. We do something like this now. We do dev Twitch to do. So this is done. We have fix k3s access to 10.43.0.0.16 internal. Okay, and then the new stuff. I guess that this is the maybe this is the nicest and funniest thing to check the ECFS pool. I don't know. I really don't like the idea that the Kubernetes server is exposed on the LAN, to be honest. And technically, the server has two network cards. So in theory, I could bind Kubernetes just to one network card or AP, whatever. But I mean, still not a solution. I would like it to be in the VPN, and so that you need to be in the VPN wherever, and then eventually figuring out ways to restrict the access to the VPN, for example. Like right now, you can access through internet. Maybe I don't want that. I don't know. So yeah, this thing, I'm honestly not that worried. So yeah, we've done the other thing that was, come on. We install kubectl and kubectl on okay. So yeah, I guess no. Oh yeah, we can even use it like that. So that's it for sure for now. Next time, next time is April. It might be complicated. Let's see. Next week is the 3rd of April. No, yeah, why not? No, it's okay. I don't care. It should be Easter. But, I mean... so, let's say some k3s network and k3s plus ZFS. So, yeah, next time I really want to get through the... Wanna become famous. Nice. No, thank you. Let's ban this guy. La. I can do one on the 1st of April. Yeah. 03 k3s ZFS. Yeah. Okay. So, let me create this file. Vim la k3s. No, that's like I don't give a fuck. k3s network and ZFS. La. Okay. k3s. Today we did wireguard and utils. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. Maybe. Oh, okay, wait. I have a bunch of stuff to comment there too. Ooh. k3s utils. Okay, so everything is pushed, and it worked good enough. I think I'm pretty happy, and thanks mostly to GearNode and everybody else in the chat for the help. That was really needed. And yeah, see you next week with some more Kubernetes. Next week, I really want to get through the ZFS. I don't know if I managed to fix that network issue outside of the streaming. I don't think there is anything really complex there. Let's see. And yeah, then we'll get through ZFS. We understand how to have PV volume provisioner, and with that I guess that the cluster it's in pretty good shape to start deploying stuff, and starting to deploying stuff will means that I want to find ways to have it done properly. So I'm pretty sure there will be I need to install a CI, and I want to install some tool to manage whatever I'm going to install there. So yeah, that will be fun. There will be some exploration for sure. And for ZFS, I have a pool because on the server long time ago there was OpenNAS, FreeNAS. So I was running BSD, and the nice thing of the ZFS pool is that I have write 10, write 10, however you want to call it, out of the box. So it works very well. And the promise of OpenNAS, FreeNAS, well, however it was called, that you have an interface so you can click through whatever, but also you have a machine that you can use. It was nice. It really didn't work for me. So I remember when I tried to install wireguard on that machine, I completely failed. Like I couldn't do it through the interface. I totally do not know how to use BSD, and I really failed so bad on doing that, and so I was like, okay, this is nice, the NAS works, but if I have to do anything else, it just doesn't work for me. I know there are jails and whatever, but I was just unable to use it outside the web interface. So I was like, no, that's not okay. So I switched the machine to Debian. I imported the ZFS pool under Debian. It worked flawlessly. And I installed Samba, and I mean, it was just like before. So pretty happy with ZFS right now. I'm not doing any complicated or advanced stuff with ZFS that I know it's possible, and it would be very interesting. But first of all, snapshots. So with ZFS, you can do snapshots, and then you can push those snapshots either to another pool or just somewhere else. It's just a big file that you can ship around. So that's awesome for backups, because the idea is that you create a snapshot, you compress it, you encrypt it, and then you push it through for some storage, some remote storage. For example, Amazon S3 or whatever. And that's something I totally want to do. I don't have it right now. So yeah, I think all those things are going to happen after the CI on the cluster, because I want to have them automated. So the first thing is see how to use the pool, the ZFS pool from the cluster, how this will interact with the data that's already there. And that's another huge issue. Like, I do have data that I don't really want to lose. So I also have to figure it out how safe is the operation of connecting these two things. And if it's not super safe, I will have to postpone, because I will have to do a full backup of the thing. And I'm talking about few terabytes at this point. I'm just checking, but ZFS. List. Ooh. Yeah, we're talking about, I have 6 terabytes that are used, and so doing a backup of that, imagine that, I mean, most of those things are either photos or backups, so they're already compressed. And I have 300 megabits. We're talking about, let's say, 7 terabytes. Yeah, it would take 3 days with my connection to backup that. Next week they will update my connection to 1 gigabit if it works. And that, in that case, it's 20 hours. Anyway, we're talking about days, and you can't even just push 7 terabytes like that. Just go. I have to build something a little more robust. So let's see. It will be fun for sure. So again, thanks for being there. See you next week. You can find me on Twitter, and I just forget about Twitter until the last 2 days of the streaming when I started preparing it. So it's like, but yeah, I try to be a little more consistent to search stuff during the week about the streaming and tweet about it. So hopefully will be more, and will be more fun. Yep. So good night, and see you next time.